Hi everyone, I'm Vijay from PySpiders Rajajinagar. Here we have our best candidate called Kasthuri. Kasthuri, you share your experience in PySpiders.
I'm Kasthuri. I completed MCA and here I joined at May. And from starting to end, all the teachers or trainers are very good in teaching, and every day they conducted boot camp sessions. In that I learned a lot of things. Like how to give a presentation and how to speak confident. That will help me in interview. In every course, they will conduct a mock interviews that help me to clear the interview rounds.
So fast. And along with that, you did some presentations regularly. Correct? How did that help in your this one interview?
Means daily giving presentation that will help me to answer before interviewer confidently. So bootcamp sessions are very useful for me.
Okay. Congrats and all the best for you.